GoHighLevel is one of the biggest name in all-in-one marketing world. But here is the real question. Is it still the king or the alternatives catching up? Stick around because in this video I will break down GoHighLevel against its top alternative, and by the end of this video you will know if GoHighLevel is still worth it or not. Now welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we make businesses technology simple and boost your productivity. If you like content like this, make sure to subscribe and check the link in the description for free trials. And if you use the link of GoHighLevel from the description, you can get the 30 days free trial instead of the 14 days. So use the 30 days free trial link from the description. Now let's talk about why GoHighLevel became the king. GoHighLevel is loved because it packs everything in one platform. Funnels, email, marketing, automation, CRM, membership, and whatever you think it has. Now agencies especially love it because they can white level the whole system and run it under their own brand. But here is the thing. Alternatives are getting stronger each year, and let's see how they stack up. Now, the alternative one is the System.io. System.io is one of the most popular alternatives. It's simple, affordable, and perfect for beginners. So you can build funnels, send email, and sell product even on a free plan. Now the verdict is System.io is better for beginners and solo creators, but GoHighLevel has much bigger firepower for agencies. Now alternative number 2 is the ClickFunnels 2.0. ClickFunnels was the original funnel giant. The new version, which is 2.0, is smoother, faster, and more flexible, but it mainly focused on funnels and sales pages, not all-in-one tools. ClickFunnels win if your main focus is funnel, but GoHighLevel win if you need an all-in-one agency tool. Alternative number 3 is the Kartra. Kartra is another strong all-in-one platform. It has email, funnels, and membership sites, as similar as the GoHighLevel, but it feels a little less advanced. Now, Kartra is good for mid-level creators, but GoHighLevel still has the stronger automation and agency tools. Now let's talk about the pricing. GoHighLevel starts at around $97 per month, but the most popular plan comes with $297 per month. System.io has a free plan to start, and ClickFunnels start at around $81 per month. And lastly, we have the Kartra. It start at around $59 per month. So yes, GoHighLevel is much more expensive, but you get more advanced feature, especially for the client management. So final verdict is GoHighLevel still king? Then yes, if you are an agency, coach, or consultant who need serious automation and white label power, then it's still the top choice. But if you are just starting out and want something that is simple and cheap, then System.io or Kartra is for you. GoHighLevel is still the king, but it's a king built for the big players. Now, if you want to test GoHighLevel or any of the alternatives, check the link in the description for free. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next one.